Welcome to this video. It is the blizzard we've all heard so much about, and hope you like the footage. Hi there, this is day one of our 2-day blizzard. I'm going to shovel while Gary snow blows. We're getting one layer done so we don't have to do it all after the snowstorm. Anyway, I will put this on in front of my coat. Is this thing? Put it in here. And then away we will go with some fun snow footage.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
Do you want me to bring you coffee or anything?
My blade's stuck.
Okay.
So clean all the soap.
Do you want coffee? The blade's stuck. I guess we better sit around and watch this.
When you can feel it, you'll see it move. This is getting soft. Okay, don't push it. No. It's forward. Forward, yeah, because it's stuck on the turntable. Yeah. So just give it a little bit of pressure and I'll go do the hydraulics.
Wait. Do you want a banana or coffee or tea? Or are you sure? Water or anything? Okay, I feel bad I don't have like cookies or anything to give you while you're here or whatever. Do you want one? Thank you so much. Bye. It's 5 o'clock on Sunday, first day of the snowstorm. So we'll see what happens overnight. Sun goes down at 8 tonight. Sun comes up a little before 8 tomorrow. And we have at least 24 hours, way more than like 36 hours more of this. Tonight it's supposed to become very windy. That will be an interesting turn of events. So, hopefully we don't blow away. Stay tuned. Here we are, 24 hours into the blizzard. I guess that's a drift. It's hard to say what's going on out there. So, oh, look at that interesting part of the front part of the garage. Doesn't have any snow in it because of the wind. It blew somewhere. We won't be going outside for a little while. This isn't skiing weather. It's fun to watch. Oh, there's a kitty watching too. Are you watching the storm? What do you think? Who's that? Saying hi? Say hi. Is there a storm outside? Yeah? Is there a storm? You see outside? Ooh, what's out there? Pine trees. Pine trees. Blowy. The next door neighbor, who's a nurse at the hospital that's just like over there. She had to go to work today. She must have had to go, and at 7, she must be doing a 7 to 7 shift. I saw her husband drive out. It's about 6:30 or so. Hope they made it okay. Checking in. 24 hours in. I have another probably 24 hours to go. We'll see. And then after that, it's just lake effect. Over and out. Kitties, are you enjoying the storm? You having fun during the storm? This is the current situation. Holy shit, look at that drift in front of the garage. It's a bit of a glare, I know, but yeah. So we have to get in there to get the snowblower. What are you thinking, Bubby? Hi. Hi. Oh, yeah? Somebody's in a playful mood. With all the snow, huh? Yeah. So that's a lot. That's a lot of drifting. Wow. I can tell. There's really something out there. Let's go see over the other window. Here's basil's doing well. We have basil that I need to take some leaves off of to use. Chili pepper, parsley. Smells good. All right. Let's see over here. There's that. There's that. That is all snow. Yeah. So that happened while we were sleeping. This is basically, this area is just enveloped in snow. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. That's a good time. Did you see that window?
Oh, I know I did.
You gotta check that out. So anyway, today is a cooking day, and we'll clear snow later when the wind dies down. Maybe not even till tomorrow. I mean, it's supposed to be windy like this all day. Who wants to go out in that? We don't have to. Where's he going? Where's he going? Huh? Sorry, too close. Alrighty. Stay cozy, everybody. While the main snowfall of the blizzard is over, so I'm suited up to start shoveling. Gary's going to join me soon. So let's just take the first quick peek out here. Yeah, so the nice thing is that the wind blew the snow off this main area. That's cool. And then it's about tackling that first. And then, etc., etc. So I'll set the GoPro up. And we'll see you out there. I'm interrupting this video segment because the footage of us shoveling and snow blowing is too long to pop into my production app. So I'm going to do a part 2 that I will try to drop immediately following me dropping this video. And it'll be the shoveling and snow blowing part. Very exciting. We'll see if it works. So the next thing you'll see is just a few clips of me outside from my own camera, but not the camera that was recording us. Shoveling and snow blowing. That's in a separate video. That'll be episode 85. Hope you're enjoying the blizzard. Whoa! Oh shit! I'm about to get covered by the snowblower! This is my mom's car. Digging it out. Oh dang! Okay, I gotta go. Alright, here's a street view. They didn't plow our street yesterday much, but the neighbor lady had to go to work. She's a nurse. So Ross blew out some of this, but I think he had a problem with his tractor. We saw him having some trouble, it looked like, so that's a shame. Here's my path to get out here. There's a mailbox. Can you see the top of the mailbox? That drift goes in front of the front window, goes right up to the house. And now we get some lake effects, so it's very pretty. No traffic, no